Hi Cooking Cronies. Today I want to share with you a recipe for jalapeno poppers, and they're made a little bit different, and I found this recipe on All Recipes. They had it tagged as a mummy jalapeno popper, but it's not for Halloween. It's just because I love jalapeno poppers and I wanted to give it a try, so I hope you enjoy it. So I basically doubled the recipe, well, kind of. I just used more jalapeno peppers than it called for. But the recipe called for 5 ounces of cream cheese, softened. And I guess I kind of did double the recipe because I used an 8-ounce cube of the Philadelphia cream cheese. And I used about a half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Then I put some salt and pepper in there and a dash of garlic. The recipe didn't call for garlic, but again, as you all know, we love garlic in this household. So I did a dash of garlic. I mixed that all together and then cleaned out the jalapeno peppers. I did wear gloves because I didn't want to burn my fingers. So I cleaned them out, got them seeded, cut them in half, and then used a can of Pillsbury crescent rolls, and I rolled that out on the counter in one square or one oblong, and then cut them into strips using a pizza cutter. And so I did the strips fairly thin. So I stuffed the jalapenos with the mixture and then wrapped the crescent roll strips around them, and then you bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until they are cooked thoroughly. So I hope you enjoy it. The recipe said that you could deep fry them, but I didn't deep fry them. I baked them. So hope you enjoy them and have a blessed day.